That's wobbly.
I was thinking about how it would be helpful to have another leg that attaches alongside this leg, and it would go into, say, our dog bone socket, and it would come out and then angle down very steeply and jab into the lake bed, or it could set on a foot and be stabilized that way. I was wondering if you could draw, made out of aluminum pipe, this dimension, the 1.5 inches, that had a straight section that was short enough to go up into the socket, and then had a 20-degree kick to it. It would come out, and then another kick that went down, so that it jabs into the lake bed. And the installer could then slip that socket on here during the installation and put that outrigger leg on there, and then set that down into the lake bed. And that would give you, an outrigger on each side, effectively taking the spread of 4 feet to, say, 6 or 8 feet. And then I think you'd really have something there.
Okay, I'll go draw it up.
Awesome. Thank you.
There he is. Got something for you. This is a bent pipe leg for extra stability on, like, say, a 4x10 stationary dock. We've actually got one set up on the hill. So I was wondering if you could maybe cut and bend this up.
And so you just give me a few minutes and I'll have it to you.
Awesome. You're the man. And 2 inches.
Let's put a span now.
8.5 feet wide. So with one on each side, it more than doubles the width. All right, I'm about to test this thing for real. Safety first. Yeah, it feels good. All right, why don't we go tell Sam? So this is what I had Paul help me set up. It effectively takes the width of the dock from about 4 feet to 8 feet wide.
Looks pretty stout. I really like how you guys swung the bracket inward, and that keeps it out of the way. If somebody were to jump off the dock, they don't have something out in the way that they could hit. And then this steep angle is great for deflecting anything that would come in contact with it. Ethan, I'd say you and Paul hit a home run. You both do really good work.
Well, I'm glad you think so.
Well, thank you for doing such a great job. This is awesome. I really like it.
Awesome.
Why don't we make this part of our repertoire, huh?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay.